In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the size of files and folders in Dropbox using the web interface. Understanding how much space your files and folders occupy is an essential part of managing your digital storage effectively. By learning this, you can ensure you're using your available storage optimally and make adjustments when necessary. First, let's dive into viewing the size of individual files. Start by opening your web browser and visiting Dropbox.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main page of Dropbox, where all your files are neatly listed. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option labeled All Files. Click on it to access a complete list of your files stored in Dropbox. Next, browse through your files and select a specific file whose size you wish to know. Once you've picked the file, you're going to move your cursor over to the File tab, which will usually appear near the top or side of your interface depending on your browsing window setup. Here, you'll notice an option titled Info. Click on this, and you will instantly see a detailed panel pop up on the left side of your screen under Properties. This section displays the file size along with other helpful details about the file. Now, let's move on to viewing the size of a folder, which is slightly different. Start by looking at your file list, where all your folders are prominently displayed. Find the particular folder whose size you are curious about. Once you've found it, hover over its name with your mouse, and you should see a checkbox appear to its left. Click on this checkbox to select the folder. After selecting the folder, look towards the top of your interface where you'll find a small icon with 3 horizontal dots, also known as the ellipsis or More Options button. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, choose the option that says Folder Info. Now, you may need to wait a few moments. During this brief pause, Dropbox is calculating the total size of the folder, taking into account all the files it contains. As soon as the calculation is complete, the total folder size will be displayed in the Size column under Properties. And there you have it. You've learned how to efficiently check the size of both individual files and entire folders within Dropbox using the web interface. By mastering these simple steps, you can now manage your storage resources more effectively, making sure every file and folder contributes meaningfully to your digital repository. Remember, regularly checking your storage sizes can help prevent issues like hitting space limits unexpectedly. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!